Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this Wednesday morning, September the 23rd, Tiger Talk. We're going to go over things that are happening here at the high school and for the upcoming week. So please join me here this morning. Just a reminder that next week is our first day with students, in-person classes. Really looking forward to that. So we are in a B schedule. So there are links on our website and the district website for you to find out what schedule you are on. Students A in Group A will start on Monday the 28th. Those students will go to school on Monday and Tuesday, and then the first day of school for our Group B students will be on Wednesday, September the 30th, and they will go to school on Wednesday and Thursday. We'll have Friday will be a day of working from home. Our teachers will be in the school building and here to assist you and help you with anything that you're working on. So again, it's a 2-day-a-week plan for the time being. Would like to just remind everybody that we do have a freshman class tour tonight here at the high school. That's from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. It should not take very long. We want our freshmen to be very familiar with this building before they come in here on Monday or Wednesday, whichever one your first day is. So if your parents want to just drive you by, drop you off, parents are more than welcome to just hang out in the parking lot. The tour should last but 20 minutes. We have a group of mentors that will take you around the building, show you, give your class schedule to you, take you to all of your classes. That way you are familiar with where those classes are on Monday or Wednesday whenever you start your school day here. Again, it should last about 20 to 25 minutes. You can come anytime in that 4 to 6 o'clock range, and then we'll be here to help you from that. So if you've got something going on, you can't make it here till 5:30, that is perfectly fine. We'll be here to help you at that time. First week of in-person, so I need to kind of know, I've sent out a survey in our Send It communication and also on our text message. Also been putting this information on Facebook and Twitter. There's also a link on our website. We really need to know if you're planning on coming to school in person starting the 28th or 30th, or if you're going to stay at home and continue to do the remote learning from home with your current class schedule. So if you don't care to go fill that form out for us, that survey out should take less than 2 minutes. I just need student name, and you check in person or remote, and then hit submit. And that's the information we need. Just a reminder that next week is the end of the first grading period. So October 1st, Thursday, will be the last of this first grading period. We do have some students that are that need to make a little extra push here at the very end. So please be sure you try to get those grades up as fast as you can. We will be sending report cards out the week we get back from fall break. So teachers will have grades a couple days there to put grades in, and then we'll send out report cards on the 16th. We'd like to go through our athletics real quick and congratulate our Lady Tiger and Fighting Tiger golf teams. They've had a tremendous season. Our Fighting Tigers had undefeated regular season in matches. So that's an outstanding feat, and a feat that's not done very often in golf at any school. So very proud of them, and like to wish both of those teams good luck in the regional tournaments. As the Fighting Tigers will be playing on Monday at Hopkinsville, and our Lady Tigers will be playing on Tuesday in Hopkinsville. So good luck to both of those teams. Congratulations to our soccer team for beating Butler County last night. Soccer moves to 3-3 on the season, and correct that real quick. 3-3 on the season, and they will play tonight against LaRue County here at BCHS. Volleyball has moved to 5-2 on the season. They are at Hancock County Thursday night, so good luck to them. Our football team is 1-1, and they will be hosting Graves County Friday night. And we'd like to wish our cross-country team good luck as they will be competing at Warren East this weekend. And that concludes this Wednesday morning, September 23rd, Tiger Talk. Everyone out there, have a wonderful day, work really hard, and be a champion.